Thank you so much. Let me just share my screen here. There you are for a while. Yan. Mabuhay and magnificent morning to everyone, especially to our dear visitors. Thank you for joining us today. Now, a lot of business owners experience a unique level of excitement when thinking about their business, especially when you meet new customers, provide your service to clients, and sometimes even in just sharing the learnings you had so far as a business owner, di ba? That excitement is unique to business owners like you on every aspect of your business, except for one thing, accounting. Exception si Attorney Ronald dyan. Why? Because it's boring, it's confusing, it's tedious. It consumes so much of your time while you don't really feel its impact on your business. Now, since it's June and we're celebrating Philippine independence this month, I think it's about fitting for us to talk about how business owners like you could experience freedom from old school, non value adding bookkeeping tasks through the power of automation, using one of the most sought after accounting automation systems in the world today, which is Xero. Now, when we say accounting automation, what does that really mean? Accounting automation is achieved when you utilize software and technology to automate various accounting tasks, when you streamline processes and reduce manual effort. We've seen the impact of this on countries like Australia and New Zealand, where SMEs on those countries started adopting accounting technology and experience efficiency in their business processes, including accounting. That's why we in Expert Cloud Pro envision to achieve this for every small and medium-sized entities here in the Philippines, especially that according to the United Nations Development Program, SMEs make up 99.5% of business establishment in the Philippines. And they also provide 63% of employment to Philippine workforce and contribute about 40% to the country's GDP. Now, how do we achieve accounting automation? If you're going to be using Xero for your business, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of these 10 accounting automation functions intended to simplify your bookkeeping process. And let's go with them one by one. Number one, automating invoicing and invoice reminders. Imagine Zero being the one who is generating your invoices, emailing them to your customers, and making follow-ups for you until their invoice is paid. Through the power of Zero's auto invoicing, we can set that up for your business. So we can make sure that all of your revenues are collected promptly, which is critical to your cash flow situation. Second, automation, repeating bills and journals. If you have a recurring expense on a monthly, weekly, or even an annual basis, imagine how much time you could save from having Zero doing the recording of that automatically over a set interval instead of you typing it over and over again. Automation is all about saving time while ensuring that your accounting records are complete. Number three, bank rules and coding auto-suggestion. This is all about bank reconciliation, making sure that your cash transactions are being properly accounted for. So if you have proper visibility of your own cash flow, you'll be able to safeguard one of the most important resources of your business, which is, of course, cash. All right. Fourth, automation. Fixed asset depreciation and valuation. Your business assets are your most important tools to provide your products and services, and therefore they cannot be left out from accounting. Now, through Zero, we can keep track of all your business assets and make sure your cash flow is prepared when it's time to replace any of them to prevent unnecessary business interruption. Fifth, automation. Multicurrency reporting. Once your business goes global, and we all dream about that, you cannot afford manual, especially in bookkeeping transactions using different currencies. That's something we can automate using Zero. Financial reports, they are presented in the right currency in real time without the need to deal with the bloody mathematics of currency conversion. Sixth, automation, multi-branch reporting. Having multiple business locations is a big dream, but it's also a bookkeeping nightmare unless you have everything in one platform. with each transaction properly segregated. This enables you to do comparative reporting between different segments of your business to compare their performance and strategize properly. That's what you can do in Xero. Seventh, automation. Zero-to-zero transaction exchange. If your customer or supplier also uses Xero, good for you. Because we can make your Xero account talk to each other. Okay, and exchange information. Your supplier Xero account can generate an invoice and then it will be sent to your Xero account, which you will see directly on your purchase bills without the need for you to retype everything again. How much time can you save on that? And then number eight, HubDoc Invoice Auto Scanner. When you get Xero from us, you don't just get one software, but two at no additional cost. So you have Xero and then you will have HubDoc at the same time. With HubDoc, you can just take a photo or scan a receipt or invoice and then let HubDoc copy the details of it for you. And all you need to do is to review and approve it on your records. Ninth, automation. Business health check. Gone are the days when business owners need to wait half a year at a minimum for a financial report that ends up incomplete and unreliable anyway. With Xero, you don't need to demand reports from your accountant. We can automate that report for you so you can check the health of your business anytime that you need to. And for me, the best and the most important automation of all, zeros and anywhere, anytime, anyhow. Imagine your business is generating sales. Your team is capturing transactions in real time, but with less effort. While you are on vacation somewhere in Boracay or Thailand, an entire organization collaborating anywhere in the world. This is the ultimate goal of accounting automation, giving you the power to manage your business anywhere you are using any device at your own convenient time. And for me, this is freedom. Not being hands off from your business, not possible, but being hands on even more while enjoying a whole new level of flexibility as a business owner. This is how you grow your business with less effort. And if you think you deserve that as a business owner, talk to us and we'll be more than happy to help you simplify your accounting process through automation. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan. Miguel Serrano po from Expert Cloud Pro Business Solutions. Thank you so much.
Wow, that was very educational.